Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Harry here, and today is an awesome day. And today we're gonna talk about for loop. So, guys, I'm waiting for this and all this moment, so I can teach you the for loop. I have taught you the if and else statement, and I have taught you how to handle the error. So, those are the very important thing in our programming. So, let's move on with the for loop, and let me explain you what is for loop, right? So, basically, the for loop is a control flow statement in Python that's allow you to iterate over the sequences of elements such as list, tuple, string, or any iterable object, right? So basically, if I have a list, right, so I'll give you some a very easy example. Let's say I have a data. I will name data, right, and I will say like list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and let's say 10, right? So basically now I'm going to use a for loop. I will say for I in data, right? For I in data. So that basically says like for I, where it says like I is the iterator can be like, you can say it will get inside those data, and it will count 1 2 3, each of them it will count all of those data. So in which basically identify in data, that's mean is inside the data, right? And I will say print, right, I. So there's an indentation, you have to fix the indentation, you have to press the tab button right into your windows, and if you're using a Mac, you can also use those tab button over there. So then I'm gonna run this. I need to select my Carol. So there we go. There we go. So now you can see over here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So those are our basically those numbers which are printed using a for loop, right? Let me give you some more examples. Okay guys, so I have made a one dictionary over here. Let's say data 2. So we have a name Harry, age 25, and city Glasgow, right? And I will say like for the key are the name, and the values are Harry. Same with the key is the age, and our value is 25, right? So I will say for key in data 2, right? So basically data 2, then we're gonna say print, right? Print key. So now you can see name, age, and city is our key, which been basically got printed. Now I'm gonna use for value. I will say for value, for value in data 2. For sorry, that's need to be in, not on. So for value in data 2 dot values, right? And I will say open and close parentheses, then the columns, and say print value. So now you can see I have print the value Harry, and my age, and the city where I'm living, right? So now I want to print both of them. I want to print name and the the keys and the value, right? So I will say for that's K for key, V for value, just in short, right? In I will say data 2, and basically the item mean the key and the value represent the item. I will say items, right? Open close parentheses column, and I will say print, right? K, right, and V. There we go. Now you can say name, age, and city, and if you want to make a bit more professional, then you can use this. Now you can see name, age, and city, right? So let me give you more examples. Okay, so now I have used a tuple, right? So basically on tuples, we're gonna use for I in fruits, right? Basically it's saying like for iterator inside the fruits, and I'm gonna print. So I'm gonna print the I. So now it's gonna iterate and gonna print all the fruits over here. Okay. So now I'm using sets. For set I can say for I in set, sorry, not set, sorry, for I in number. Then I will say like print I. So basically it's easy, it's give you the same thing, so you have seen the pattern over here. You have to use for I in num, so I in fruit, that use same for the tuples because they don't have any keys, they only have values. When it's come to dictionary, then you have to understand, you have to specify the values. If you don't specify the values, it only print the keys over here, right? So it's to specify the values, is print the values. To specify the item, is print the both key and the values. And same with the same with your list is very easy for I in data. So basically is iterating inside the data and is printing all the value inside is. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I will make some more for loop videos which can really help you to improve the for loops, and I'll see you next video, right guys? Cheers.